the next step is baking. The reason why I'm doing this now is I want to set everything in place. Obviously it is a date night, so you want to keep your makeup looking pristine throughout the evening. We're going to set the timer for 4 minutes, and this is just going to sit on my face while I wait. Baking is still happening at this current moment, so I've just left all the powder to sit, and I've created a very, very prominent nose, which I don't normally have. And I'm also doing this while I bake to be more effective and be faster at my makeup as well. I believe when you get ready sometimes for these date nights, you don't usually have a lot of time. So this cuts it in half, and I just created a desired nose shape. As of late, I've been doing this new technique like in and around the tips of my mouth. I've been highlighting with concealer there. So after all the foundation has dried, I've been doing this, and I know it looks funny, but I take my wet beauty blender, I just go in, soften it up, and it tends to pronounce your lips a lot more. I don't know if you guys notice other YouTubers do this, and it accents their lip. Make sure you blend really, really well. I'm gonna do a close-up shot for you, and it tends to draw your attention to the lip. If you notice, it's a vast change from before, and you just get right in here because it's gonna look like you sipped on some milk, as you can see. Overemphasizing your lips on date night can pull the look together and make it a lot more solid. So I overlined my lips today with a ruby red color, and I'm going to show you a little bit in this next clip how I did that and how I made them a little bit more plump. That way it created the look of desire, romanticism, and also just a little sweet touch for your date to enjoy as well. You want to begin right under here on the bottom of your lip and just doing soft strokes. Don't overline it way too much. Blot. Do it again on the top. Make sure you're lifting too with a little bit of your color. Blot. And then I tend to go over it a little bit with the pencil as well. To get like a radiant maroon color, I just got one of those makeup wipes and used an eyeshadow, and I continued on to press that into my lip. One last blot, and you got yourself some date night lips.